You want to start something new. It feels exciting. It also feels scary. You might think you need more skills, more time, more money. You don't. Start where you are. Right now, you have everything you need to begin. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Your journey begins with a single step. Take it now. Forget about perfection. Forget about having all the answers. Embrace the unknown. Embrace the challenge. Your journey starts now. Look around you. What do you see? These are your tools. Don't underestimate them. A pen and paper, a phone, your imagination. Use them. Your resources might seem small. That's okay. Every journey starts with what you have. It's not about having the best. It's about making the best of what you have. Resourcefulness is a skill. You develop it by starting, by trying, by making do with what you have. You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Big dreams can feel overwhelming. Break them down. Small steps, manageable goals. Start with something you can do today. Each step, no matter how small, is progress. It moves you closer to your goal. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. Small steps, taken consistently, lead to giant leaps. Focus on the next step, not the entire staircase. Each step builds momentum. It gives you confidence. Keep going. You'll reach the top. Planning is important, but action is essential. You can plan forever. Nothing happens until you start. Take action. Learn from your mistakes. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates results. Don't wait for the perfect plan. It doesn't exist. Start moving. Adjust your course along the way. Every step you take is a victory. Celebrate it. Learn from it. Keep moving forward. Action is the engine of progress. Fuel it with your passion. Section 5. Perfection. The illusionary roadblock. Perfection is a myth. It's a roadblock to progress. Don't let it paralyze you. Embrace imperfection. It's in the imperfections that we learn and grow. Strive for progress, not perfection. Each mistake is a lesson. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Your journey is yours alone. Don't compare it to others. Focus on your own path. Celebrate your progress. Learn from your setbacks. Keep moving forward. Section 6. The power of momentum. Keep moving. Starting is important, but consistency is key. Keep moving, even when it's tough, even when you don't feel like it. Momentum builds gradually. The more you do, the easier it gets. The more you learn, the more you grow. Don't give up. Keep pushing. Keep believing in yourself. Every day is a new opportunity. A chance to make progress. A chance to learn and grow. Embrace the challenges. Celebrate the victories. Keep moving forward. Section 7. Celebrate milestones, big and small. Acknowledge your accomplishments. Every step forward is a win. Celebrate them, no matter how small they may seem. They are proof of your progress. Reward yourself for your hard work. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Reflect on the challenges you've overcome. Be proud of yourself. Celebration fuels motivation. It reminds you why you started in the first place. It gives you the energy to keep going. So celebrate every milestone, big or small. Section 8. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. The journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process. Embrace the challenges. Learn from your mistakes. Grow along the way. Don't get so caught up in reaching the finish line that you forget to enjoy the journey. The experiences you gain along the way are invaluable. Your journey is unique. It's yours to create. Make it meaningful. Make it memorable. Embrace every step of the way. Section 9. Your journey starts now. You have the power to create the life you want. Start today. Start where you are. Use what you have. Take that first step. Your journey to greatness begins now. Believe in yourself. Embrace the challenge. And never stop moving forward. The world is waiting to see what you will achieve. Go out there and make it happen. Your journey starts now.